In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with a carousel element. In the application, we will also learn how to use the card element. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I will use these images while making the application. You can download the images from the GitHub account in the description section of the video. First, I create the carousel element. I adjust the size of the object using the props function. I will create a carousel slide object. I set the size of the object using the classes function. I create an image in the carousel slide object. I adjust the size of the image using the classes function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the image object to the web page. I will add another carousel slide object. I can do this by copy-pasting. I am sending the hockey file to the image function. I add one more carousel slide object. Again, I can do this by copy-pasting. I send the tennis image to the image function. I am saving the code file. I added all the images, but only the football image is shown. I need to make a change to the carousel function. I set the arrow's value to true. I am saving the code file. Arrows objects have been added to the carousel. We can see other images using the buttons. We can also navigate between images using the navigation feature. I set the navigation value to true. I am saving the code file. Due to the size, the navigation object is not shown yet. I'll set this up in a moment. Now I will add a label object using the card and tight objects. I am sending the appropriate text to the label object. I am creating a card section object. I add the image function to the card section object. I am saving the code file. Navigation and label objects were added. But there is no label object in the other images yet. I will do the same process to other visual objects. I can do this by copy-pasting. I am making the necessary arrangements. Finally, I am also editing the code I created for tennis. I am saving the code file. The navigation and label object is shown in all images. In this video, we learned how to use the carousel element. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.